total.
His first wicket. So the debutant bowls the debutant. Tremlett gets his first wicket for England in one-day international colours, and Shahriar Hafiz ends his first innings for Bangladesh, playing on for 10.
Good delivery, extra bounce for Chris Tremlett, and the debutant, as you said, counts for the...
He's played 27 one-day internationals, averaging under 20. Strike rate of 63, best of 65. Tremlett has plenty of both. Gone first ball, I think. Yeah, thin edge through to the keeper. So Tremlett is on a hat-trick now in his first one-day international. He's got 2 Shahrim run out, caught behind for naught.
Tremlett taking the second wicket off in 2 balls, picking up 2 Shahrim run for a duck. So he goes back for a duck. It's 30 for 2.
So 2 in 2 for Chris Tremlett, who's already had a hat-trick on this ground. Playing for Hampshire against Nottinghamshire. 20 again. Best of 100, that was the other day against Australia. It doesn't come much better than that in his career. 51 matches. A wholly different set of circumstances face him here today at Trent Bridge. Two hat-tricks for England in one-day internationals. One for Steve Harmison here last year against India, and Jimmy Anderson against Pakistan at the Oval. And Mohammad Ashraful, the hero for Bangladesh, on Saturday in Cardiff, in to face the hat-trick ball. Chris Tremlett on debut has 4 slips waiting for a nick and a leg gully. One of the most attacking fields you'll see in one-day international cricket.
And the cover fielder has come in as well. Can he pick up his hat-trick?
We'll soon find out. Here he comes. Oh, so close. I think he might have even hit the stumps. That ball might have just dropped on top of the bails. The bails haven't dislodged, and Ashraful is a lucky man and Tremlett's unlucky.
That is basically... Oh my God! It did hit on top of the bails, and the bails are still there. Look at that. Oh, that's what I call luck.
Well, I'll tell you what, he'll never come any closer to getting a hat-trick than that. He's actually hit the bails, and the bails have stayed on the stumps.